Let us imagine a future where we can use computers to solve global problems with the simple click of a mouse. My research focuses on making this vision a reality. My field is computational chemistry, which harnesses the power of mathematics, computer science, and chemistry. One important problem that requires a quick and accurate solution is the discovery of new drugs that can treat various diseases. This is a challenging task since it requires years of experimental work and costs billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. Fortunately, our modern day computers can be used to accelerate the drug discovery process. However, the process of computationally finding a drug candidate from millions of possible candidates currently requires extensive amount of time and money. This brings us to my research. I deal with developing new fast and accurate computational techniques to simulate how the fundamental particles of life and the universe behave at the microscopic level. The microscopic world is governed by the laws of quantum mechanics. Unlike the macroscopic world around us, take your home Wi-Fi as an abstract example. The signal representing small particles can pass through your walls, but the relatively large solid object receiving the signal cannot. Simulating molecules that are important to understanding life, like DNA and enzymes, using quantum mechanics requires computers to capture the subtle interactions of small particles with their surroundings. To simulate these interactions, we need supercomputers to solve complex mathematical equations that tend to be costly and time-consuming. My research aims at developing new, faster, and more accurate simulation tools by simplifying the complex equations that need to be solved in order to capture the subtle interactions of small particles with their surrounding. These tools will help bring quantum simulation of molecules like DNA and enzymes to your desktop computers, a task that would take weeks or months using current methods. The fast and accurate methods that I've been developing will allow computational chemistry to be accessible to educators, students, and researchers from economically disadvantaged countries and help address the United Nations sustainability goals of supporting quality education and reducing inequalities. The methods that I've been developing will also allow scientists to make advances in computer-aided drug discovery and accelerate the process further. As new computer hardware emerges in future, problems that were previously beyond the current reach of computational power can now be studied more in depth, and global problems like drug discovery will become solvable with just the click of a mouse.